Hello. We are going to have some time today to go over the answers to your history review, which you did on Bright Thinker yesterday. So this is just an opportunity to kind of review for the test and give you the right answers if you happen to get something wrong on the review. I also have a review game for you that I will put in Bright Thinker Nearpod, one of those climbing the mountain games. Okay, I'm going to present my screen so you can see the answers to your World Rivers Review. This will look slightly different than what you have, the way that it's presented on your screens through Bright Thinker. This is what it would be, the paper version, if you were in class, but the questions are the same. So question 1, the Nile River is located in Egypt, in the continent of Africa. What is the river that has castles along the banks? That's the Rhine River in Europe. To move to a different place is to migrate. We specifically heard about that with birds migrating south. What can you see from a boat on the Nile River? The ancient pyramids. How does the Yellow River get its name? The color of the water. The silt specifically makes it yellow. What results from the building of a dam? A reservoir, which is basically a man-made lake. The Ganga River is considered holy by the Hindu people. It's called Mother Ganga. The Murray and Darling Rivers are located in Australia. The place where a river begins is called its source. It's our spelling word as well for this week. So the source is where it starts. A place on the river where water moves swiftly and violently, rapids. We hear of that, especially with the Congo River. There's a lot of rapids. Navigating the Ob River is dangerous due to ice. It's very dangerous because of that. Which river has piranhas in it? The Amazon. Where is the Amazon River located? South America. That is the continent that the Amazon River is located in. It's in the country of Brazil. I know there's been a little confusion. So both Brazil and South America are correct. The continent is South America. The main country it's in is Brazil. Boats on this river must switch their cargo to railroad cars to avoid rapids. That's the Congo River. It's very dangerous at places. By the way, for the test, it's going to match up with these questions, and so you'll want to know South America for the Amazon, not Brazil. That's what you'll be looking for in the test. Now, the Yukon River played a big part in this era of history, the search for gold. There are a lot of people going there because of the gold rush. Now, the Danube River in Europe touches 7 countries. A stream, and this is the one that everybody had to come to an agreement that even if they were at war with each other, you could use the Danube. A stream or smaller river that flows into a larger river is called a tributary. That's when one river is connected to another bigger river. To be surrounded by only land cut off from the seacoast is to be landlocked. So you're locked in by land, technically. A place where a river empties into a sea or other large body of water is its mouth. So the source is the beginning. The mouth is the end. The watering of crops by moving water from a river or lake to a place where it does not rain enough is called irrigation. And a society, another spelling word, or group of people with similar religious beliefs, customs, and languages in form of government is called a civilization. So for your reading articles, you're learning about different ancient civilizations. It's anytime there's a group of people that have some things in common, maybe same religion, same government, same language, civilization. Some open-ended questions. Yours might be a little bit different, but it should be similar to this. Why did the Chinese people build dams on the Yangtze River? It was to control the river and build reservoirs. And controlling the river might go along with, for some of you, thinking to stop flooding. That's going along with it. And why are crops grown close to the Nile and Yellow Rivers? It brings water to the fields, meaning the rivers, they bring water to the fields because the land is very arid away from the river. So it is important, just to explain this one a little bit more. It's important for the crops to grow right next to the river because they do have enough water to grow well there. But in Egypt, other parts of Egypt, which is where the Nile River is, it's very dry and deserty. So most of those other parts cannot grow crops well. And the Yellow River in China is the same way. The area around the river is very dry, but right next to the river, there's plenty of moisture for plants to grow. Okay, that is all. You will have a review game to play as well, and Friday is your test. Next week, we start Ancient Rome. Okay, that is all I have for you today. I'll see you later. Bye.